So you want to play the Ninja Kiwi archive on your Steam Deck. All you have to do is switch to desktop mode, right-click on the Steam icon and select Library, open up the Ninja Kiwi archive, and wait for it to load. Once you get to this screen, you're going to want to open up Firefox and search for ProtonDB. In ProtonDB, search for Ninja Kiwi archive. And there should be a link to download Flash Player. I also have a link in the description below. Wait for the download to finish, then go back to the Ninja Kiwi archive and select Browse. Navigate to your Steam Deck's download folder and select the file you just downloaded. Click Open and watch the magic happen.